Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Matillion ETL using OAuth. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Matillion ETL instance. Navigate to the project you want to work on. Select the Manage option from the main menu. Click on Authentication from the drop-down list. Choose Add Authentication to create a new authentication method. Select OAuth as the authentication type. Fill in the required fields for OAuth settings. Enter your client ID, client secret, and authorization URL. Input the token URL and any additional required information. Make sure to define the scope needed for your application. Once all information is filled in, click Save to store the settings. Next, open the job you want to use with this OAuth authentication. In the Jobs component panel, look for the relevant component that requires authentication. Drag and drop the component into your job flow. Click on the component to open its configuration settings. Locate the authentication section within the component settings. From the drop-down menu, select the OAuth authentication you just created. Complete any other configuration needed for the component. Now, you're ready to test the authentication. Run your job to initiate the OAuth flow. Follow the prompts that appear, ensuring you grant the necessary permissions. Once completed, you should see a success message indicating successful authentication. Monitor the job execution to confirm everything is running smoothly. Congratulations, you've successfully authenticated with Matillion ETL using OAuth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.